Everyone, my name is Madonna and I am part of Sephora Squad. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a easy curly hair routine, especially if you have my type of curly hair. I'm going to show you the products that I use in order to get this style. So if you have curly hair like me and you want to see your curls defined, frizz-free, and soft, go ahead and keep on watching. So I just washed my hair. Now I'm going to show you how I style my curls for soft, bouncy curls with these three products. Also for reference, my curl type happens to be a 3A. That means it has its twirls, but it's still very, very loose. I'm going to show you how I style my hair with the three products that I use to get the soft, bouncy curls. First product that I use is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. I use this first because I like to go in with a gel. So what I'm going to do is distribute this Curl Charisma Leave-In Defining Cream throughout my hair. Now what I really love about this product is that it helps control the frizz, it hydrates my curls, it keeps my curls feeling really, really soft. While I have this leave-in conditioner, what I like to do as well is kind of like crunch my hair to kind of help boost my 3A hair, give its curl, because my curls are loose. They're really loose and I would like for them to look a little bit more defined, a little bit tighter so they can look bouncy. And so in order for me to do that, while your hair is wet with the leave-in conditioner, start training your curls by scrunching them. Also, bend your head over like this and make sure you get the back of the head. Make sure you get all parts. So next product I like to use is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Quinoa Frizz Control Gel. And I use a generous amount because I do go all over the hair with this. This is how much I'm going to use. Start crunching your hair. And the thing about this gel is that it's going to give your curls a little bit of some definition. Is going to make them last longer because they have a hold. Make sure you have the gel evenly distributed throughout the hair. As you can see, look, my curls are starting to form. I'm gonna wait till this air dries and then I'll be right back so you guys can see my hair in its natural state, so that you guys can see how it looks without adding any more products, and also so we can go in with the hair oil. So here it is, air dried. This is what my curls look like without the diffuser. If I just air dry it with just those products, it feels very soft, it has a hold, and I really want to add more shine and a really, really nice scent. It's the Jisoo Honey Infused Hair Oil. And just do like a few drops. And then just kind of scrunch my hair with it. Make sure I get my ends. So it makes your hair really, really soft, so you feel like the gel still gave you that crunchiness. You can kind of break it up with the oil. You can break up some of your curls with the oil, like if you have any chunky ones, like for example this one right here, and you have some oil on your fingers, you can kind of break it up and it'll prevent frizz. This is basically how the hair looks with those three products. That is it for today's video. Let me know what you think of this curly routine down below, and also give this channel a thumbs up and give us a follow. And yeah, that is it. So thank you so much for having me, and I'll see you on the next one.